In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ManyChat to automate your Instagram DMs in 2026. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how we took a client from $30,000 per month to $75,000 per month, started 78,000 Instagram conversations from one single reel, and consistently get 30% reply rates on automated Instagram outreach for over 100 coaches and consultants. This isn't your typical ManyChat tutorial. I've built and managed over 100 Instagram accounts inside of ManyChat, and I'm going to show you the exact system that we use to book sales calls on autopilot, including a tool that tracks every single conversation so that you know exactly what's working and what's not. Most people are flying completely blind with ManyChat, and after this video, you won't be. Now, first, you're going to have to sign up to ManyChat, and you can do that using the link down below in the description. It's going to take you to this sign up page where you can start your free 14-day trial. Simply go ahead and select Instagram or any other platform that you want to use. Now here you're going to have to connect with Meta if you want all features such as the follow to DM feature on Instagram, meaning that you actually need to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook business page. And once you've completed the sign up, simply go ahead and sign up for the free 14-day trial, because a lot of the things I'm going to show you in this video require the paid plan. If you want to keep the free plan for now, that is totally fine, but a lot of the things in this video are not going to work. Now here's a problem I see all of the time. Most people set up ManyChat, they have a couple resources they share, they collect link clicks and maybe some emails, but the real thing that drives sales on Instagram is having conversations. Conversations are what book calls, conversations are what builds trust and allows you to understand the pain points that your potential customers are facing. So everything I'm about to show you is focused on one singular thing, which is starting more successful conversations so that you can book more calls and make more money. Now I'm going to cover a couple of powerful use cases throughout this video, and the first one I want to start off with is automatically saying hi to new followers, meaning whenever somebody follows you, you can automatically send them a DM. Now again, most people do this incorrectly, and I'm going to show you how you can do it so that you actually maximize the results from this powerful feature. The way we do this is by split testing different message variations whenever somebody follows us and tracking everything in an external tool called DM Tracker, which I'm about to show you. What this automation allows us to do is whenever somebody follows us, we have a random path that they go down where we have 3 different message variations. The goal of each of these messages is to start a conversation, not send out a free resource. We do this by asking them a question, and one of my favorite ones is, are you here for the free content or are you looking for a bit of help with X? So if you're a fitness coach, it would be, hey, thanks for following. Are you here for the free content or looking for a bit of help with your training? Frameworks such as that one, where you give them 2 options to choose from, remove the need for them to think in order to reply. But the great thing is, whatever messages you come up with, we're going to be able to see based on actual data which one yields the highest reply rate so that all of the guessing is removed. So each of these paths set up the message that we're going to send. Hey, how are you? How's training going at the moment? We then track it inside of the DM Tracker. I'm about to show you exactly what that is, and we actually send out the message. But since ManyChat doesn't give us a reply rate for the messages we send, that is where DM Tracker comes in, because it shows you exactly how many outreaches you've sent, how many replies you receive, and what your reply rate is. On top of that, it also gives you the reply rate by outreach message so that you can see which of your messages are performing best, drop the bad performing ones, and keep improving on the good ones. Now that is just the beginning of what's possible with the DM Tracker, because it also allows you to track all follow-ups inside of your Instagram DMs, meaning you can see who you need to follow up with and who ghosted you. You can sign up to DM Tracker for a free 14-day trial using the link down below in the description, and for a limited time only, there's a free strategy call with myself included where I'm going to give you the lessons that I've learned working with over 100 clients in this space so that you can implement them inside of your business starting immediately. Now, the reason this is so powerful is because most people come into ManyChat, they set something up, and then they just forget about it. So they would come in, set up a specific message that goes out to new followers, and then never look at it again. With this strategy, you can actually improve over time, which is what we want to do, and I think we all can agree that data is the #1 way to do that. I'm going to link this resource on screen right here in the description down below, which is going to take you to our free school community, and this video shows you exactly how to set up that automation and start tracking your reply rates today. It also includes the template that you need in order to set up this automation completely for free. Okay, so now you're auto DMing new followers and tracking the reply rates. But what about people who are already engaged and commented on one of your posts. ManyChat allows you to automatically reach out to people who commented on your posts and send them a free resource. The traditional way to do this is somebody comments, you send them a free resource, and that's basically the end of the story. But what I'm going to show you now is going to change the flow to have people comment, you send them the resource, but then we actually track which follow-up questions yield the most replies in conversation. We had a video on our business Instagram account get 2 million views and 78,000 comments. That's 78,000 conversations that we started from one single piece of content. But here's what most people miss, because the only way we were able to do that is by using DM Tracker to actually track which questions re-engage people inside of conversation. Now, what you can do is go ahead and set up a trigger for when somebody comments on one of your posts or reels, it goes down the random path, and now you would actually send out the resource. So you could say, hey, here's the free resource, add in the link, and then actually add in a question that you want to ask as a follow-up. So for example, how's training going at the moment? Now, what's going to happen is we're going to send out that message when somebody comments, but have 3 different variations of this questions at the end. So we could have the first one be, hey, here's the free resource, how's training going at the moment? But in the second field, we could ask a different question. How's training going during the holidays? And by adding this question and by having different variations and using DM Tracker, we're going to be able to see which of those messages gets the best reply rate, meaning which of the resource messages that we sent out gets us the most conversations started and gets us the most calls booked. Now, I'm going to put the link to the video where I show exactly how to set this up down below in the description. And once again, if you sign up to the free trial of DM Tracker, you have the option to book in a call with me where I can actually help you implement all of these strategies and more inside of your business. All right, this is where it gets interesting, because most people are happy with just starting conversations, but what if you could scrape the profile of the person you're talking to and have AI analyze whether they're actually an ICP match for your business or not? And this is something almost nobody knows about, but using ManyChat in combination with N8N, which is a workflow builder, you are able to actually scrape the profile of the Instagram lead, get all the details of the lead, save them into ManyChat in a custom field, and determine whether they're an ICP match or not, and add a tag inside of ManyChat if they are. This allows you to segment your audiences based on whether they're an ICP match or not, so that you can, for instance, follow up with people who actually are an ICP match more frequently than those who are not. You can also adjust the question you ask based on whether they're an ICP or not by adding a simple condition whether the person is an ICP match or not. This is an incredibly powerful solution, and I actually have another free resource for you for this specifically, which I'm also going to link right down below this video, where you can get the template for this N8N flow right here. I explain step by step how you can set it up. You get the ManyChat template for free, and you get the resources for how to actually set up the scraping, as well as a special offer where you can do your first 1,000 scrapes completely for free. Now, once you understand all this and you've implemented the automation, we have a couple things that we accomplished. Number 1, we're able to actually track what we're doing and see what works and what doesn't. Number 2, we're maximizing the amount of conversations that we get inside of our Instagram DMs, which brings us to number 3, which is actually handling the conversations. And for this, I made a full breakdown on how you can automate your entire Instagram appointment setting process using an AI, which actually has the conversations for you, qualifies all of those leads, and books in calls on autopilot. I'm going to link the full tutorial breakdown along with all templates for free, once again down below in the description. And we actually do this for over 100 clients on Instagram. So if you don't want to do all of this yourself and you just want our help to get it done, there's going to be a link to schedule in a free call down below in the description, where we can explore if we can help you and if it makes sense to potentially work together. Instagram DMs were the most underrated sales channel in 2025, and in 2026 2026, there's going to be a big separation between the winners and the losers, the ones who understand how to automate Instagram DMs and the ones who don't and are stuck in the perpetual rat race of trying to get more conversations, trying to get more calls, instead of effortlessly having a system set up that facilitates just that. This video should bring you a step closer, and if you want more videos like this in the future, just leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll respond to every single one personally. With that being said, I hope you have a fantastic day and I'll talk to you soon.